Hi, John here. It's Tuesday, the 16th of August, 2011, and we're just in the process of challenging the Crown of New Zealand and the District Court's jurisdiction, and with our own Maori government, Maori Confederation jurisdiction, the Confederation is an authorised authority recognised in the United Nations. So I've just been talking to Suna Kaur. She's mandated to carry out that position of the Prime Minister of a new government. That's been mandated at Waitangi in front of the Governor General. He got sacked and then sat in. I have another affidavit for you on your way out on the 23rd. There shall be no more Governor Generals after that. If you do go ahead and John Key and put in Jerry Mataparai Andrews, then that's offensive. Everything you do from the 4th of February this year will be against you. We are going to bill debt your company, Her Majesty the Queen of Right New Zealand, from that date and further back from that for violating our Maori law, tikanga Maori and tikanga Moai Polynesian sovereign law. Okay, so I'm here to represent our Polynesian people of the Pacific as a customary legal advocate, assignee, and it's my duty to administer our lands and what happens to them from now on. All the things that you have stuck on it, the Crown of New Zealand. We challenge now your title, your crown, and your administration. It's fraudulent, as you will see. I'm the last person you should have picked on. The court, the District Court in Auckland. Just have the letters here, affidavit to DAVE O SHAUGHNESSY. It's on Facebook now, what I'm going to outline and expose the fraud, corruption of my birth certificate, and as well as everybody else's birth certificate here. So Moai is the crown, the true crown. It sits in Queen Elizabeth's Great Court in London. That belongs to me and my people. My Wanoa royal family built them by hand. They built it, and you see the Moai beside my head, and you'll see the other ones with the crown on his head. The hat, that's the crown. That's the real earth crown, not a metal one like the Queen has on her head. You melt that one. It's no good. It's evil, and it's caused a lot of trouble in the world. And as you can see, the royal family is in tatters. Now, I just try to condense this together before I finish the video. That's the attachment order from the court. This is the judge giving the permission to withdraw money from my account. And so they use the same number here, serial number, on their affidavit, not affidavit, their account to me in capitals from WINZ, which is that one. I'll put it on Facebook. You'll see it's in capitals. That's a corporation. They made a corporation out of the name that I don't say it's me. It's their own made-up name, and then they put it on inside the District Court in small letters, which is the fraud that I want to show you. And the only way to catch them is to actually catch them doing it. And so I'm the subject of a crown sovereign of these lands with these aliens that are doing this in WINZ. This is one department to the other, crown corporate companies, one company to another inside the big corporation, Her Majesty the Queen of Right New Zealand. So we have the bills marked here, where the money's gone, and how they have transacted a fraud deal out of my bank account in my real name. All right, I never gave them permission to use my birth certificate to make that illegal or unlawful fraud transaction. So just let you know, today I'm going up to the court to issue them another affidavit notice and to challenge Dave, the Deputy Registrar, Court Register, another affidavit like that, and also to make sure he replies to why he's fraudulently using my birth certificate to extract money out of me and to use as liens since 1949. That's when they started first using my birth certificate. So that all that money that they've taken, stolen, I'm going to get back. Right? I will get it back, the same as the land. Every single thing they've taken from our people, the citizens of this country, sovereigns, could be anybody, but we identify the surnames of the people who are causing this trouble and expose them, all right? And we bill charge debt of them. This is Moai Crown sovereign state government talking, all right? And not a lawyer, I'm an advocate. Okay. Now this is the letter from TPK, Deputy Registrar, Leith Coma. He's in charge of he's a CEO of their company, another Crown company, and against us, me, CEO of Ngātuaiwa Aotea Limited company. What? One corporate company against the other. Okay, so only one Crown. One of them is going to drop, all right? And I know which one that is. So him with the Maori land down at Pōtaka, East Coast, where we're going to administer our own lands under our own Maori sovereign state government, all right, and Polynesian Crown. Okay, the crown you see on top of the Moai's head, and Makemake planet, that's where they've gone to, my ancestors, and so I inherit that in my blood, DNA, right back to King Khufu and the pyramids and the obelisks that are spiritual. Those are my ancestors, okay? They don't belong to the Pope. You're a thief, Pope, Benedict, and all the Catholic people in the federal government in America. Listen to this, people. Get out of them. They're evil. They're doing all these sorcery things. They've stolen my ancestor, African Nubians, obelisks, and pyramids. Right? All that Egyptian stuff is crap bullshit. It doesn't belong to them. They've stolen it. And the Queen, she's stolen my Moai statue sitting in her Queen Elizabeth II Great Court in London, England. Bad Church of England, right? The churches, they're evil, and all those chemtrails, all those sort of pollution, oil disasters and everything in the world caused by them, all right? Thank you very much. That'll do for now for this video, and see you again.